Join me as I dive into Neville Goddard's secret techniques and challenge myself to manifest my biggest dream in just 1 week. Neville Goddard is a spiritual teacher and New Thought movement leader who's known for his powerful teachings on manifestation. His philosophy is rooted in the idea that our imaginations have the power to shape our reality, and that by tapping into our inner world, we can bring our desires into being. Goddard's teachings hold significant value for those looking to achieve their dreams because they offer a roadmap to understanding the fundamental principles of manifestation. Have you ever tried to manifest your desires, but struggled to get results? You're not alone. One of the biggest struggles people face when trying to manifest their desires is self-doubt. We often doubt our abilities, question whether we're worthy of what we want, and fear that we'll never achieve our goals. Another common obstacle is limiting beliefs. We absorb beliefs from our upbringing, culture, and society, and these beliefs can hold us back from achieving our dreams. Lack of clarity is also a major hurdle. Without a clear vision of what we want, we can feel lost and uncertain about how to move forward. Then there's the issue of negative emotions. When we're stuck in a cycle of fear, worry, or anxiety, it's hard to muster the energy and motivation needed to take action towards our goals. Imagination, belief, and feeling are 3 key concepts that Neville Goddard emphasizes as vital components of the manifestation process. Our imagination is the spark that sets the manifestation process in motion. It's the ability to envision our desires in vivid detail, to see ourselves already in possession of what we want. Belief is another crucial element. We must believe that our desires are possible, that we deserve them, and that we have the power to make them a reality. Feeling is the emotional component of manifestation. It's the excitement, joy, and passion that we experience when we're aligned with our desires. When we combine imagination, belief, and feeling, we create a powerful synergy that can bring our desires into being. According to Neville Goddard, the secret to successful manifestation lies in the art of assumption. Assuming the feeling of already having what we want is the key to bringing our desires into reality. This means that instead of focusing on the lack or absence of what we want, we focus on the feeling of already having it. We assume the feeling of confidence, happiness, and fulfillment, and we allow that feeling to guide us towards taking action. This might sound simple, but it's a game changer. When we assume the feeling of already having what we want, we begin to radiate a different energy, one that attracts our desires towards us. This perspective shift can be life-changing, and it's the secret to unlocking the manifestation power that lies within us. The concept of assumption is revolutionary because it challenges our conventional thinking. We're so used to focusing on the negative, on what's lacking, that we forget to focus on the positive, on what we already have. By assuming the feeling of already having what we want, we flip the script and begin to create a reality that's aligned with our desires. This is the secret to Neville Goddard's manifestation philosophy, and it's the key to unlocking the power of our imagination. In summary, Neville Goddard's teachings offer a powerful roadmap to manifestation. By understanding the role of imagination, belief, and feeling in the manifestation process, and by assuming the feeling of already having what we want, we can tap into the power of our inner world and bring our desires into reality. Remember, manifestation is a journey, not a destination. It takes practice, patience, and persistence, but the results are well worth the effort. If you're excited to start applying Neville Goddard's teachings in your own life, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're ready to take your manifestation skills to the next level, be sure to check out my next video, where I'll be sharing practical steps for manifestation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.